you're too technical. I'm back again with another video, and today I just wanted to make this video because my OnePlus Open inner display is currently messed up. I don't know how well you can see that, but we have a line down at the bottom. We also have a line in the middle. I have not dropped this. I have not had any kind of liquid damage done to my phone. One day I just picked it up, which was Friday, and there it was, messed up. So just be careful if you're buying OnePlus devices or a phone in general. I can only say that because with me, I picked this up off of someone else, and since I do not know the person that I bought it through, they may have picked it up from somebody else and then they sold it to me because they no longer needed it anymore. It has a warranty on it, but since I don't know the person's name or know the person's original purchase date or shipping address, I cannot get my OnePlus Open repaired under the free warranty. So if I want to get my OnePlus Open repaired, it's going to cost me money, and OnePlus said it'll be $540 just for me to send it in, get it repaired, since I do not currently have the availability to use the warranty. So I just want to warn you guys, if you're out there buying smartphones, so on and so on, just go on and buy it off a line, or at least make sure you know who you bought it from and who they currently bought it from, so you can have access to using the warranty, because pretty much I'm screwed. I mean, the front display does work just fine, as you can see. No problems with the front display, but I really need the inner display to be working. So now I'm in at a hard place. I'm either going to have to go on the web and get a used OnePlus, or just buy a whole nother folding phone if that's something that I want to do. But I'm not trying to use too much money just to get another phone. But I know I do not want to get it fixed, pay that kind of money to get it fixed. So my route, I'll probably end up just going online, seeing if I can find a good used OnePlus Open, and if I can't, I'll probably have to get another Z Fold 4, because I can get that for a pretty decent price that I'm willing to pay. So I just wanted to make this video, bring it to you guys' attention that I currently messed up. My OnePlus Open is currently messed up. I didn't mess it up. Like I said, it's just something that happened, but that's to be expected when you have a phone and a smartphone. I just recommend you buy straight from OnePlus online, and don't buy it through somebody else, because you get a deal like me, because now I'm stuck with not using the warranty to get it fixed. And if I want it fixed, I'd have to pay the $540, or I'm just gonna have to buy a whole nother phone, which I'll probably just go that route, because even with me calling some of these little repair shops around where I stay, they don't carry the equipment to do it, and if they do, it's even more pricier. So in the comment section below, please let me know your thoughts on what I should do. Should I be worried, or should I just use it with the outer display, or what would you recommend in this kind of situation that I'm dealing with right now? I hope you found this video helpful, but I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.